What's up, everybody? Just wanted to give you an update on the Apex accounts. I did request a $23,500 payout like a week ago on July 3rd. That was approved today on July the 10th, except for this one account. I checked the email why it was denied, and it said 30% rule. So maybe I just need to make a little bit more money on this one account to take that payout. But other than that, pretty satisfied with all the other accounts getting approved. This was all 20 accounts, and it was a total of 23,500, but obviously this one denied. So, I got 21,500 coming at me soon, okay? So those are the payouts from this recent payout cycle. I do plan on having another video detailed on step by step, like my strategy with evaluations, and then how I, change it up a little bit once I get onto the PAs and my strategy behind that. So I'll have a more detailed video. This is just an update showcasing a $23,000 payout that, the base hit strategy works that I'm doing. And you could see one of the trades that we took today was pretty solid. So I had a nice bull zone. I was bullish on the day. And we found a nice zone. Basically what I needed was confirmation above the zone. And we got in around 1124 today, which was NASDAQ was at 20,735. And I just wrote it up for this run up right here. Right, I took it from 735 to about 760. I got my quick 30 points, and I was done for the day. I made my money. I'm not going to sit here all day when I'm trading prop firms. I'm going for base hits, and I'm compounding that. If I was in a personal account, yeah, I would have probably held this trade, to the second target and beyond. Right, with prop firms, I'm going for consistent payouts, consistent money. With personal accounts or maybe even a Top Step Live account, you could, give your trades more room to run and be a little more aggressive. With my method with 20 Apex accounts, I'm just going for base hits and consistency, right? Because that's what they want to see. If you start having big days out of nowhere, like if I would have held this trade, to the highs today, I would have made a lot of money today, but I would have had to made more, in the following days to reach that 30% consistency rule that Apex has, right? So I just keep it simple, go for consistent base hits on Apex. But yeah, these are the kind of setups, and I actually called this out in my Discord too. I pretty much give you a breakdown of exactly when I'm entering and, exactly the things I'm looking for to get into a trade, get out of a trade. So you can see at 11:12, I was already stalking this trade. Price was inside the buy zone, right? That same blue zone that you see on my chart over here. Same exact zone. And you can see price is there. I'm like, okay, confirmation, and I think it's good for a reversal back to highs on NQ. All right. So confirmation, I like to see strong green candles above my area. We got that, like 10 minutes after my initial post, and that's when I entered. And the trade just went instantly in my favor. This is me trading on the Top Step Live account. I went in with 12 contracts, so made some good money today. And then throughout the trade, I'm giving you updates. All right, target one pretty much hit at 770. If you caught that, good stuff. Confirmation was a candle above the zone. Right? Candle above the zone. Did we get a candle above the zone? We sure as hell did. You could have entered on any of these green candles and pretty much instantly made money on this run up, right? So target one was 770, and then target two was high of the day, which, previously around 10:15 a.m., it was like 795. Price got there, an hour later, and then just kept freaking going. It's still going right now. Still going. But yeah, I was just showcasing, the payouts, exactly what you get when you're inside of my Discord and, following along with my trades. But yeah, everyone was pretty much green today that followed along. I was on the live stream calling it out and then posting updates when I hopped off the live stream. We try to do this every day. We be patient, wait for our zones, try and get the timing right. And on days like today, we get rewarded, right? I don't know what the hell just happened to all of my charts and everything, but yeah, just want to give you an update. Like and subscribe if you want to follow the journey on these 20 Apex accounts. I could actually show you exactly where they're sitting now after the payout got approved. They're all sitting about at the same whatever you call it, balance, right? 52,600. So that was my plan. Once I got to 54,600, I think I said it in one of the previous videos, that's when I was going to take a payout, right? So I got all these accounts pretty much to 54,600, and I requested a payout, right? So now I'm going to do it again. We're at 52,600. So the next $2,000 I make on these accounts, it's getting pulled out, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, with these 20 accounts, I'm just going for consistent payouts, right? And then later down the road, when I get past the max payout threshold or limit, whatever you call it, then maybe we could start swinging for the fences on these accounts and get a bigger payout. But for now, consistent gains, consistent payouts. That's your update here on Apex. And I hope I see you inside the Discord. I'll put a link down below. You could get 50% off your first month. Just use the code 50 and you'll see what we got going here inside of Discord. Other than that, Apex is also running a 80% off sale. Use my code JPelly and you'll get that 80% discount applied at checkout. And I'll see you on the next video. I got nothing else for you. Peace.